Hello, welcome back to another video from my new series, beginner friendly, no experience needed, ways that you can make money. So I'm on the website again. As you can see, it's the website. We have the compensation, we have the location, we have all the studies that are going on. I'm going to be showing you different studies that are paying you over $10,000 for you to join one of them. So the first thing that I'm gonna do when I get on the website is I'm gonna go to the left side of the screen where it says compensation, and I'm going to click on where it says above $10,000 because we just want to make sure that all the studies that we're looking at pay $10,000 or more. It has now filtered all the studies to only show the ones that are paying $10,000 or higher. You can see this one that's paying $20,100. So I'm gonna click on the first study I see. This one says it's for $13,450 and it's taking place in Salt Lake City, Utah. So I'm gonna click on this study and see more about it. So when you go to the page and you scroll down, it has more information about the study, so I'm going to read it. It says, healthy volunteers were conducting a study for healthy men and women of non-bearing potential ages 18 to 55 years old. Volunteers must be available for one screening visit, one baseline visit, and one stay of 8 nights, 9 days, 7 follow-up visits, and 1 follow-up phone call. Qualified study participants may earn up to $13,450 for participation. For more details, it shows you the number to call them. So for this one, you're going to be there for 9 days. Then after you leave from that 9 days, you're going to have to keep coming back up to 7 times. Then they will have a last phone call, and then that's all for the study. When you scroll down, it just shows you the bulletin points that's pointing out the main stuff for the study. Like you have the 1 screening visits, the 1 baseline. Then it shows you have to be male or female, your age is 18 to 55. And for this one, you have to be a non-smoker. You cannot smoke if you want to participate in this study. So make sure you don't have any nicotine in your system. And for your BMI, it shows you what it has to be. Then if you go to the left side of the screen, it really just shows you the same information. So we're going to go back to the main page and see the next study. This one says it's paying $12,500 and it's taking place in San Antonio, Texas. So we're going to click on this one and see what the study is about. When you go to the page, it just shows you healthy volunteers, then it tells you more about the study. So it says, we're conducting a study for healthy non-smoking men and women ages 18 to 65. So right off the bat, it tells you that you cannot smoke if you want to do this study. You must weigh a minimum of 110 pounds. No smoking allowed within 3 months of screening visit. Volunteers must be available for 1 stay of 17 nights and 1 follow-up visit. So this one is very short. It's less than a month. All you have to do is stay there for 17 nights, and then you only have to go back once. And it says qualified study participant may earn up to $12,500. So that's about 17 days is about like 3 weeks. 3 weeks, they're paying you $12,500. People do not even make that in like 3 months. You must arrive 30 minutes before your scheduled screening appointment to complete paperwork. Late arrivals may not be seen, so it's very important to arrive earlier than your screening time. Don't arrive at the screening time and think they will see you, because they won't. Even if you do not qualify, you may receive up to $300 for referring a qualified participant. For more details, it shows you the phone number to contact them at. If you scroll down, it's just more of the bulletin points that shows the main points of the info. So if you just read the bulletin points, it will say 1 screening visits, 1 stay of 17 nights, 1 follow-up, male or female, ages 18 to 65. You must be a non-smoker, at least within 3 months of the screening. Then it shows you the BMI that you need to be. You have to be a minimum of 110 pounds. You have to be healthy, and it says no smoking allowed within 3 months of the screening visit. If you go to the left side of the screen, it's just more of the same information. So now we're going to go back to the main page. This study says it's going to pay $11,700 and it's taking place in Lenexa, Kansas. So we're going to click on it and see what it's about. So when you go to the study page and you scroll down, it just shows you the information. So when you scroll down, it says, we're conducting a study for healthy non-smoking men. Ooh, this one is for men only. We're conducting a study for healthy non-smoking men ages 18 to 60. Volunteers must be available for one stay of 21 nights and one follow-up phone call. Qualified study participant may receive compensation up to $11,700 for time and travel. Even if you do not qualify, you may receive up to $500 for referring a qualified participant, and it shows their number. As they pointed out, this one is only for men, so if you're reading this and you're a woman but you know a man that would like to do this, this is a good way that they can make money. They only have to stay for 21 nights, which is basically 1 month. 1 month, and they're getting paid $11,700. And then after the 21 nights, it's just one follow-up phone call. They don't even need to go back, and they will get paid $11,700. So you scroll down and it shows the bulletin points that's just pointing out the main parts of the study, like 2 screening visits, 1 stay at 21 nights, 1 follow-up phone call. You have to be a male only, ages 18 to 60 years old, and non-smoker. So make sure that you tell them that they can't smoke. You can't be a non-smoker. Then it shows the BMI. If you go to the left part of the page, it just shows the same information. Then the apply button is right there. You could click it. If you want to apply for the study, just click the apply button. So that's all the study that I'm doing today. I'll try to post more frequently about these ongoing studies for anyone who may be interested in applying to one or interested in wanting to learn more about them. Let me know what you guys think. Would you participate in something like this? Do you think that you would love to try one out for the money? Let me know what you think. I'll be posting more. I'll turn it into a series and try to post as often as I can, just because the economy that we're in right now, and I know a lot of people need the extra money. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you can know when I post, and I'll keep you guys updated on the studies that are looking for people and are willing to pay a lot of money for you to participate. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.